you how to hide likes on Instagram step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Method 1. Hide likes on your own posts. Go to your profile and open the post you want. Tap the 3 dots on the top right of the post. Now tap Hide Like Count. That's it. Likes will be hidden on that post. Method 2. Hide likes before posting. When you're about to upload a new post, tap Advanced Settings at the bottom. Turn on Hide Like and View Counts on this post, then publish your post. Method 3. Hide likes on others' posts. Go to your profile. Tap the menu, 3 lines, open Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Posts. Now enable Hide Like and View Counts. This will hide likes on posts you see in your feed. Bonus tip, you can turn this feature on or off anytime. It's fully flexible. And that's it. Now you know how to hide likes on Instagram easily in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.